So this is going to be a video on how I clean my units when they're with tape only, with no adhesive. And it's pretty simple. As you can see, this unit has geo strips all the way around, and geo strips are these here, right? Same one. I use them for my ladies thick, the whole width of the unit of the tape itself. And so she's had it on for 2 weeks. And this client is rare. This client does not perspire. She works in an office setting. So her adhesive lasts her 2 weeks, and it's no glue, no adhesive. It's just tape alone. So she's coming for her service, and I'm going to show you how I remove the tape and I service the unit before I put it back on her head. So I had to remove this tape. I go in with, I don't use oil. I go in with lace release, and I make sure that there's enough under there. And I just pull it right off. And then that takes a little work. There it goes. Okay. And I just go back and tap that up a little bit with a little more of the remover, just to make sure to get rid of all excess of any adhesive. Okay. So now it's nice and clean. So now what I do is I would shampoo her. So now I'm going to put on conditioner. And this conditioner is a pretty hydrating conditioner. Since this unit has been on her scalp for 4 months, it's beginning to show the wear of it being very dry. I just touch it and there's no residue of anything on there. But just to be extra careful, I take the lace release again and I spray it, and I make sure that the whole area is nice and clean before I retape.